Hello, and welcome to Kimball Electronics. With this video, we hope to explain Kimball Electronics' history so that you can see how we got to where we are today. The Jasper Corporation was founded in 1950 in Jasper, Indiana, to make television cabinets, kitchen cabinets, and office furniture. Jasper prospered from expanding television sales and from its investment in vertical integration, giving the company self-sufficiency. In 1959, Jasper Incorporated purchased the W. Kimball Company as a wholly owned subsidiary. Piano manufacturing was relocated to French Lick, Indiana, about 25 minutes northeast of Jasper. And by 1969, the Kimball brand had returned to its former position as the world's largest piano manufacturer. 2 years later, in 1961, the Jasper Corporation, motivated by a shift in market demand, decided to leverage their success and experience in piano manufacturing by introducing an electric organ. That year, the Jasper Electronics Manufacturing Company was formed to support Kimball Electronics organ production. The manufacturing of these products continued to flourish at this site for many years. In 1968, Kimball had the first taste of their future when they were awarded a contract to support hotel air conditioning controls for GE Home Appliances in Louisville, Kentucky. This contract initiated Kimball's presence in the industrial vertical. Sticking to their vertically integrated roots, Kimball Electronics took advantage of their resources and began production of bare-board PCBs in 1972. At this point, organ business was booming, and Kimball Electronics began looking for a new way to expand their production capabilities. Mexico offered additional capacity at a lower cost, which resulted in the opening of Kimco in Reynosa, Mexico. This location remains a Kimball Electronics manufacturing facility today. Kimball Electronics, Mexico. As a result of the availability of personal computers and televisions in the 1980s, the market for organs as home entertainment started to decline. Kimball Electronics continued to manufacture organs, but in 1982 sent a group of people to hunt for companies for whom we could manufacture electronic components. It did not take long for Kimball's contract manufacturing business to take off. The first major contract came in 1983 from IBM, located in Lexington, Kentucky. Kimball Electronics Jasper built keyboards for personal computers, while Kimco, in Mexico, manufactured mice for Microsoft. Over the next 10 years, Kimball supplied IBM with over 19 million keyboards and Microsoft with over 5 million computer mice. In 1985, the automotive vertical began with the production of anti-lock brake systems for Kelsey Hayes, which was later named TRW, and then in 2015 was acquired by ZF. During the same year, Kimball Electronics produced their last organ and shifted production completely to contract electronics. The picture shown on the screen is from one of the first photo shoots where the ABS system was featured. Between Kimball Electronics Jasper and our Thailand facility, we have produced over 60 million ABF systems for ZF Friedrichshafen. In 1999, new priorities were established to globalize and diversify Kimball Electronics, and the company fostered additional focus on high-mix, low-volume contracts. During that same year, we received a contract from Motorola, which marked the beginning of our public safety vertical, and Bayer, which was the foundation of our current medical vertical. In 2000, the plan to globalize and diversify began with the opening of a facility in Lam Chabang, Thailand, and the acquisition of the Alcatel plant in Poznan, Poland. The execution of this strategy continued in 2005, when Kimball Electronics broke ground in Nanjing, China. The decision to establish an operation in China was supported by several of our automotive customers, who were pursuing China and wanted a trusted partner to be located close to their operations. In 2007, Kimball Electronics acquired Reptron Electronics, who had facilities in Tampa, Florida, Fremont, California, Hibbing, Minnesota, and Gaylord, Michigan. The Fremont, Hibbing, and Gaylord facilities have been consolidated into Kimball Electronics Jasper, while the Tampa facility stands as our Tampa manufacturing plant today. Bayer Medical in Wales and Magna Donnelly in Ireland were acquired in 2006 to further expand the medical vertical and to establish a broader presence in Europe. In order to reduce leadership redundancy, the Wales, Ireland, and Poznan facilities were combined into a new $28 million facility. Located northwest of Poznan, this new medical center of excellence in Poland opened for business in 2008. On October 31, 2014, Kimball Electronics was spun off as a separate independent public company from parent company Kimball International. On November 3, 2014, Kimball Electronics began trading on the NASDAQ stock market under the ticker symbol KE. During August of 2015, Kimball Electronics established a new global corporate headquarters located in Jasper, Indiana. Near the end of 2015, Kimball Electronics expanded capacity in Europe by opening a new, state-of-the-art, 6,000 square meter manufacturing facility in Timișoara, Romania. In early 2016, Kimball Electronics acquired Medivative, which included a 40,000 square foot facility in Indianapolis, Indiana. This manufacturing facility, with a medical market focus, greatly expanded our capabilities, specifically with plastics and assembly. Later in 2016, Kimball Electronics acquired Aircom, right across the street from Medivative in Indianapolis, Indiana. This facility included an 80,000 square foot facility, primarily focusing in metal forming and plastic injection molding. During fiscal year 2018, Kimball Electronics reached their long-time stated goal of becoming a $1 billion company for the first time in company history. Later in 2018, Kimball Electronics completed the acquisition of Global Equipment Services. This acquisition was the first step in executing our new platform strategy. Kimball Electronics' plan is to continue this development beyond EMS to a multifaceted manufacturing solutions company. In 2021, Kimball Electronics celebrated its 60-year anniversary of lasting relationships and global success in the many years to come. Throughout the years, Kimball Electronics has continued to receive awards and recognition for our continuous improvement in safety and health. We have received several outstanding supplier awards from our customers and outstanding establishments from the governments where our facilities are located. Since 1950, Kimball Electronics has continued to surpass expectations on the manufacturing floor and with our customers' needs. Kimball Electronics' dedication to their values is unmatched by all other companies in the industry. Whether it is the environment or continuous development of our employees, our people are the company. Welcome to Kimball Electronics. Lasting relationships, global success.